Hey guys, Migs here. Today we're going to be doing a never before done video. I've never seen this ever. It's going to be a mini bike versus a person drag race.
Hey guys, Jack here.
Yeah, we're here with Jack. You've probably seen him in other videos.
One other video,
but,
I think.
Yeah, but he's super duper fast. And we're going to be Steve against him. And first we're going to do, lines up at the same spot and just go and see how it is. And then if it's what we're thinking, which is Steve is just going to take off,
yeah,
I'm going to give him a head start and then see how it is. Because Jack's really fast. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so that sign right there is going to be the starting line. And we're going to come all the way down. It's right where the jacket is. And oh, that's a snowball. And we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, here we go. First ever mini bike versus person. We got the starting line. We'll line it up. Yep. Woo! I'd let him call. He got the jump, but I caught up to him. That was good. That was good though. You got the jump. So do you want to do the head start now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Head start. Let's do 5 seconds now.
5 seconds?
Yeah.
Alright. 5-second head start. That's pretty big for the short distance. But okay.
5-second head start, right?
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that 5-second head start was big. That was a big head start for the small. Like, he was down there in 5 seconds, but Jack's still really fast. Ooh, I was wheelie. You got me with the head start.
Yeah, I got you.
Now what?
You can beat you without a head start or no?
Nah.
No?
Nah, that one before was the first one.
I kind of want to try again.
What?
Head start.
Yeah. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, jeez, he cut me off! Alright, so we're gonna go for another, without a head start again. Or how about, I'll start from a little back here.
Yeah, alright, go like that where that car is.
Right here?
Yeah.
Alright. Yep. He's catching his breath. Woo! Man, Jack is fast, man. With the mini bike, that goes 0 to 30 and quick, you know? Oh, man. Oh! The ice.
The ice.
Yeah. That was good, though. That was good.
That one was even worse than the first one. Guys, this thing is like so much faster in person. Let me put some rust right here.
Yeah, I gotta repaint
so
it.
much faster in person. Like, you don't even know. So much different in videos.
Yeah. The GoPro makes everything look slower.
Yeah.
I really wonder how the Baja would be. Because the Baja doesn't have acceleration. It has the top end.
You want to try it?
Yeah, sure.
Because the video's kind of short anyways.
Yeah, about to break out the Baja. Catch you guys when we get the Baja. Oh, it died?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I hope we got the footage. I guess we'll just see. Alright guys, so now we're using the Baja versus Jack. I think Jack is gonna win this one because the Baja really doesn't have any acceleration. You're gonna win this one. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Man, that was a good race right there. That was a good. Too bad we had the photo finish camera. I don't know if I got it because it died because of the coldness. Well, I don't know if we got it with Steve, but we didn't bother setting up with this one because it just kept on dying. About to do a little flyby. Oh, backfire! Whew, that was loud. Man, that was a good race. Photo finish. I tried to get it with the GoPro, but we'll just have to see how it came out. What? That was a good race. I don't know. I'm just saying, of course we took away the camera.
I know. You're gonna have to put that on the footage.
What?
You're gonna have to call when you're in the footage.
Yeah. Want to do it again? Quick?
Yeah.
Oh, I was sleeping on the line. Ooh, man, another good race. Man. Yeah, I definitely need more accelerations on this. Yeah, that was good. What?
That was another close one.
Yeah. So, one more? Alright. One more to the side. Yeah. No. No. Woo. Oh, he won this. Oh. Oh, man. Man, super close.
I think I got that one.
Yeah, I think you did too.
I think I pulled my shoulder.
That was good though.
That was good. That was really good.
That's,
This was a really good video idea.
yeah. Guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Good races. You know, Steve
Yeah.
won with the normal race, but with the 5-second,
5-second
Start.
head start, I won.
yeah. The Baja.
About how all
Those
of them were close.
Those were really close.
I know the third one.
Yeah, the third one I think he got.
But
But
the third one I put my head down to be more aerodynamic.
yeah. But hope you guys enjoyed. Check out Jack's channel.
Yeah,
Jack and Alex. It's active. Just
Yeah, he got his like laptop taken away, so he
Yeah.
can't like really do anything.
But their link will be down in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Check them out. Please subscribe, like, comment, and tell your friends about the channel. Thanks for watching.
Yup.